Hi guys, Cindy5 today I'm going to show you how to download Open Picasso software. There, Picasso software. So I'll bring you to the first description. First in the description, take you to obsproject.com /download. First, basically this don't have a checkbox. Check it and now you can download it. Press it and it brings you to a new website. Just wait for it and you go away and it will click download. Wait for it. As it is the save file. As you can see it just finished there. It's gonna bring it to my desktop. Fudge. Come on. Where's it? The face palms are here. Bring it. In Firefox, you just gonna press it though. Like that. Just click run. Damn it, the face palms are here. This brings you to the setup wizard. Click next. I have it now. After that, it's gonna install it. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you this. I'm recording it now, so yeah. The settings, you don't care matter, just I'll have some of the YouTuber guys. I don't want to mention a name, that will be a copyright to me. Show you guys the optimized settings for this. For streaming, you can do streaming videos with this.
Mami.
Kinuusap ni Jason Nichols para sa susunod nila challenge.
Good morning,
couples. Good morning.
Andun na rin nag-aaral. And yeah, see you guys later.